During the last holiday season alone, over 1 million drones were sold in the United States. Almost all of these drones included a camera, which finally allows for a convenient way to experience a bird's eye view. Once used for surveillance and reconnaissance, drones are now used for cinematography along with many other avenues. As drone technology develops, our sky will see its first change in over a century. Although many people are not aware of this, drones have already become a part of our daily lives. You would be surprised at how many things around us have been accomplished through the use of drone technology. Now, what exactly is a drone? Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs for short. A UAV is anything that is remotely piloted in the air and has the capability of collecting information. This information could be anything from environmental data to video footage from a camera. Many drones have evolved to utilize several rotors, which give them a distinct look. These are called multi-rotors, and they provide many advantages over conventional helicopters. Traits include the rock-solid stability and ultimate versatility, which is ideal for camera operations from the sky. Many advancements in UAV technology has brought us to where we are today. Shrinking of hardware allows for drones to be smaller and faster than ever. Radio waves allow for not only control over the drone, but for a live view from the camera as well. A GPS makes sure that the drone knows where it is, even if you do not. If you lose connection, this drone would find its way back to you, all by itself. The big star of cinematic drones, however, is no doubt their advanced camera systems. Camera technology has quickly evolved over the past decade, allowing for even tiny cameras to be powerful. Drones tailored to cinematography use cameras specialized for video production. With a wide-angle view, sharp aperture, and great performance, drones cameras can and will deliver some of the best aerial shots. However, the true magic behind aerial cinematography is the camera paired with its gimbal. A gimbal allows for footage to be stable, even while the drone is doing the most wild maneuvers. It accomplishes this by allowing the camera to function independently from the drone's motion, ensuring cinema-like fluidity. Drones have allowed us to experience new perspectives and angles never seen before. We can get closer, more daring, all without harming the environment or people. Gather footage from right above a lake or even an active volcano. Drones have the flexibility to do it all. There's no need to film from big helicopters. Drones are both flexible and cost-effective. Plus, there's no pilot at risk in the air, no carbon emissions, no noise pollution. Drones do everything better. Car commercials are famous for drone usage to capture stunning aerial shots. In Vancouver, drones were used to film The Flash, the X-Files series, Batman, and many more. I got to speak with some of the people who filmed these. There are regulations in the drone industry though. These are to ensure that the public stays safe with drones buzzing around. Drones must stay away from aircraft, roads, and crowds of people. There's also an altitude ceiling of 400 feet to prevent conflict with any manned aircraft. In the future, we can expect drones to become more and more advanced, quickly surpassing the safety of any other aircraft and automate many processes. Drones are already being designed for aerial shipping, most notably by Amazon. First responders can utilize drones to drop off medical supplies or even conduct search and rescue tasks. One day, drones will no longer require a pilot. They will automatically seek and avoid obstacles, including people and buildings, and accomplish their tasks without interfering with other aircraft. Like planes originated a century ago, drones are just now getting started. The Wright brothers only flew for a dozen seconds on their first powered flight. But nowadays, planes are able to carry hundreds of passengers around the world and back. Just imagine how advanced drones will become throughout the next century. A future of unlimited potential, a future of untouched technology. Drones will only become more and more common for research, entertainment, automation, and so much more. The age of drones has begun.